Assembled in Wichita, Kansas from durable aluminum and powder-coated cast iron, GPRO V-Series pumps are our newest generation of high-output, high-pressure fuel transfer pumps. The GPRO V20 is built for commercial users who need to reliably fuel large equipment such as bulldozers, excavators, buses, and combines. V20 is designed and configured for diesel blends up to B20, gasoline up to E15, and kerosene, and is typically mounted on medium to large stationary fuel tanks. With a high flow and pressure of 20 gallons per minute at up to 25 psi, V20 allows you to maintain high flow while using a variety of quick-fit accessories. Our GPRO series of pumps are robust and built to last, so you can depend on V20 to keep your operation running at the toughest job sites and through the harshest weather conditions. We have also equipped V20 with many unique features to increase reliability and safety while improving your ease of use. V20 features thermal overload protection that will protect your V20 from overheating while running in bypass. If excess heat buildup is detected, V20 will automatically shut down, protecting the pump from damage. The GPRO series of pumps is built with carbon vanes that create less friction during operation than bronze or plastic vanes, increasing efficiency and decreasing maintenance over the life of your V20. The GPRO V20 is also equipped with quick-fit leak-proof connections, which let you easily connect a variety of accessories, including fuel filters and meters, without worrying about leaks, misalignment, or pipe thread sealants. QuickFit also allows you to rotate the position of the outlet to fit your needs. V20 is designed with an easy-access strainer that prevents debris from entering the pump and a convenient nozzle drip catch that protects the nozzle from damage and debris. V20 is equipped with an integrated switch accessory circuit, so you can power a fuel management system, automated valve, indicator light, or other accessories automatically when your pump is activated. V20 also comes in an extreme temperature model, capable of operation in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit to keep your operation running in even the most extreme weather conditions. If your operation requires the installation of an anti-siphon vacuum breaker to avoid contaminating your job site, or to comply with regulations, V20 is tapped and ready to receive our optional vacuum breaker kit. A QR code is also conveniently located on the side of every GPRO fuel pump. When you scan the QR code with your smartphone, you will be taken to our My Pump web app. Here you'll find links to the owner's manual, installation videos, links to buy spare parts and accessories, and a phone number to call our product support team. All GPRO pumps are 100% full load tested at the factory and backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty, so you can have confidence that when you buy from Great Plains Industries, your operation will run smoothly for years to come. Thank you for choosing GPRO.